This is the yet-to-be-released OPPO Reno 15, and once again, we've managed to get our hands on it right away. But hey, it's not just one, we've got 4 of them. I guess you could call this the full OPPO Reno 15 family pack. Let's start by checking out the main color variant. Wow, this color is called Starlight Bow. It features a high-gloss glass finish, bringing back that clear, shiny look. And what's cool is, even though it's glossy glass, it doesn't pick up fingerprints when you touch it. Next up, the color is called Caramel Brown. This one really looks like coffee. It really has that vibe. The back panel is made of AG frosted glass. Check out this unique design. The camera module uses a cold glass finish, and it seriously looks just like when you stir a coffee mug and the bottom part is still unmixed. The last color, wow, this one's called Aurora Blue. This one feels a lot more youthful. Look at how the back panel refracts light. See that? It gives off a dreamy vibe. After unboxing these 3 colors, I realized that the Reno 15 series is really unique because each of the 3 colors uses a different back panel technique. This Aurora Blue color reminds me of the crystal diamond process, and I think younger people might really love it. This colorful religion one uses that AG matte finish, but it's really something special. Look, when the light hits it, doesn't it look kind of black and red? And when you turn it, isn't it just black again? But honestly, to my eyes, man, it's just a coffee color. It's pretty awesome. If you love coffee, you're in for a treat. Finally, this Starlight Bow colorway, just looking at the back panel, it reminds me of a mirror-like diffuse reflection process because it's super glossy and doesn't pick up fingerprints at all. It's really nice, right? As for the holographic lithography technique they used to create a naked eye 3D bow, I wonder if it makes you think of that super popular sport ballet style this year. If that's your vibe, well, now there's a phone in that style right in front of you. As for the camera module, it's made from a single piece of cool tone glass, and you can even see inside it. What's special about the Reno branding is that the transition between the white camera lens and back panel feels very smooth. You should try it. OPPO has nailed the cool tone glass. It's beautiful. The sides have a matte, flat-edged frame, and the frame color matches the back panel. But I especially want to show you from this angle, paired with this silver camera ring. At this moment, it really looks a lot like an OPPO from the front. Of course, it has a narrow bezel flat display. What's special this time is that the standard version of the Reno is also a compact flagship. Look at how I can hold it with one hand. Pay attention to where my thumb is. And finally, we can't forget about the slightly larger Reno 15 Pro, still in that signature Starlight Bow color. Now, when we put the Pro and the standard version side by side, it's easy to see that the Pro is noticeably bigger, but their camera modules are exactly the same. Why are they the same? This year, both the standard and Pro have a 200 megapixel main camera and a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. This imaging setup is flagship-level tech for these models. Up front, the Pro also uses a flat display, and the bezels are very slim. At the end, I'll show the box accessories. An 80-watt USB-A charging brick, a data cable, and the SIM ejector pin. The included phone case is transparent, but it's not just a regular clear case. This back cover should be made of PC. It's extremely hard and very clear. Also, that the texture on the back of your phone is even more visible. Got it? See, it won't cover up the unique beauty of your Reno 15. For more details about the brand new OPPO Reno 15, let's catch up after the launch event. Bye-bye.